Good morning, everybody, or afternoon. I don't know. It's morning for me, okay? Anyway, so what's going on, guys? How are you? I'm doing great. As great as anybody can be, right? Another day in the life of isolation, and Charlie's still asleep. This guy here, he's been driving me crazy since like 8 o'clock this morning, and it is now, I don't even know, what time is it? 8:30, so. Really? Well, we gotta wake up Charlie. Where's Charlie? Yes, he's right there. Can you wake him up? Oh, well, hello. Well, good morning to you, Mr. Charlie. How are you? Well, you're sleeping. Oh, my goodness. Somebody wants to go outside. How about you, Charlie? You want to go out, too? It's like, yeah, so let me wake up from it, yeah. Oh, big yawns. You ready to go out? Are you ready? Oh, you go. Oh, gotta stretch. Okay, I'm ready now. Do you want to go out? No. Yeah? Okay, let's go. Somebody the other day asked what was wrong with Charlie. Well, he's 13, almost 14. That's what's wrong. He's just old. I wouldn't say there's anything wrong with him per se, but he has a hard time getting around a little bit. This guy here, though. Oh, I know. Yes, I know. What? What, Ender? What? Let's see, get some light on in here. Get some light on in the other room. All right. Gotta grab your food. Ugh. Get you some food. How's Charlie doing? Charlie's got a little bit of food in his. So today, folks, we have rain and doom and gloom. Hey, you gonna go out too? Go ahead, go potty. Here, I will guide you. Go ahead. And you can do it. Oh. Oh yeah, you're barking at the trash cans? Yeah? He's barking at the oh, just pee right there. That's okay. It's raining. He's like, I don't really want to go out there. What stinks is I filled the bird feeder up last night, but I also put a bunch of squirrel food down here, and now it's raining, so it's just gonna get all yucky. But I mean, I guess squirrels eat that stuff anyway, right? I mean, they get all their food from outside. Anyway, guys, how's it going? Let me know what you've been up to. Today is Monday. Haven't vlogged in a few days only because it's the weekend, and we don't do anything. Not that we did much anyway, but I mean, on the weekends, I barely see the boys. They come down, they grab breakfast, and then they are off doing their thing for the day. Yeah. I don't know. So anything new with you guys? Anything new, interesting? Any rumors, any gossip? Anything you want to share with us? Let us know. Oh my goodness, what happened? It was raining out there. Do you need to come in? You need some help? Oh, I got you. Oh, there he goes. There's my buddy. All right. What would you like? What? Oh, something up there? Yeah. What about you? What do you want? He's like, I want to go back to sleep, Mom. What do you want? All right, I'll get you something. What? Is this what you want? Well, I need you to sit. Can you sit? Okay, can you take this nicely? Take it nicely. You don't look like you're going to be nice. Nicely. Oh, yeah. And I know you will, baby. Well, yeah, okay. And they're off. Oh, and look who pulled an all-nighter. Yeah. This thing decided she didn't want to come home. Hey, girl. Welcome back. Yeah, what were you up to all night? So she went out yesterday at some point, and it was actually fairly warm yesterday. So, didn't see her when I put the dogs out at about 11, and I checked back again before I went to bed at midnight. And Jason usually checks again. Hey, Then Jason usually checks again, but nope. So yeah, it's not unusual for her to spend the whole night outside. I mean, there's nothing we can do. We can't call her in. She doesn't respond like that, so she's a cat. So, yeah. I don't like it when she spends the whole night outside. It makes me worry. But there's not really a whole lot we can do about it either. But she's upstairs now, meowing like crazy. It's gonna wake the boys up. I should probably let her in their room. Yeah. Guys, look at, there's this crazy bird. It keeps flying into the window. What kind of bird is that? I'm like trying to watch TV. And all I hear is this bird whapping up against the window. So it's this bird right here. What kind of bird is that? Huh. He's pretty though. He's got like a red chest. Look at that. That's not a robin though. Huh. If you guys know what kind of bird that is, let me know. Look at that. Yeah, but he keeps whapping into this window. What do you want? Want to go out the front? Go out this door? Go ahead. Bye. What's the matter, Ender? I thought you wanted to go out. Go. Go. Go out. Go on. Yeah, you were all in a rush to go out. Oh, there you go. Charlie's like, I'm not going out. I hate staying out there. It's raining. It's raining and cold. I actually have on a sweatshirt. My mom bought me this. It says dream on the side. I know you guys can't see that. And I got my comfy leggings on. Well, he's back. Y'all set now? Yeah? It's just one of those gloomy days today. It's a gloomy day today, it is. Yes. It's a gloomy day. It's a gloomy day. There he is again. Stop. Stop it, Ender. So this is what I'm hearing while I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV and I keep hearing this guy just keep bonking against the window. It's driving me crazy. I don't know why he's doing that. Like, what is he after? Does he think this is a tree or something? I don't know. I don't know where he went. I don't know what kind of bird he is either. Hey guys. They're doing schoolwork. They're working on math right now. So, hi. We're just saying hi to the vlog. Hi. I didn't want to disturb you guys. Yeah. But this is basically, that's basically how they do school. A lot of it is online. We do a combination though. Sometimes I print out worksheets. I find things that I think that they should do, like writing, language arts and stuff like that. Things that you need a worksheet or something for. But like things for math, I can't do math. So they do online math, which actually works out really good. And Charlie's got a squeaky toy. It is absolutely pouring out. Oh, and it's cold. Eek. Icky, icky. Icky, icky, boopy. So, yeah. I'm not going to be out here very long. So the other day we posted this picture on our Facebook page. You got to find Waldo. And most of you guys found it relatively quickly. Jesse didn't take too long, but Jaden has been working on it.
I even had a hint that's on the left side.
2 hours. And he's not able to find Waldo as of yet.
I can't find it. It's stupid. It's
You said the hint that everyone
I don't
wants
care.
to find it.
Whatever.
Maybe. Yeah, Jane has a hint now.
I'm
We
getting
still
mad
can't
now.
find it.
I like your hair today, Jesse. It's really nice.
I hate it.
Why? You're doing it? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah.
So,
Stop.
so today's vlog is going to be all about my hair. I want to cut right now.
Want me to do it?
No.
I can do
Yes,
it.
no. I don't know.
I can shave your head.
No.
But by the time this thing ends, it'll be all grown out again.
Yeah, I don't want to look at it because we still vlog. You guys are going to see my ugly bald head if I shave it. Which I've never done that. I don't know what it's going to look like. It's probably going to be stupid looking.
Somebody commented the other day that you should have your own channel. What do you think about that?
I mean,
Oh, just
I don't really need it. I don't really care for like a whole channel because I mean this channel's fine.
Yeah, because you're not on. Well, people are complaining that you guys aren't in the blogs enough, and I had to explain to people that this channel is no longer about you guys; it's about me.
Yeah.
And if you come on it, and it's bonus. So if you had your own channel, there would be no videos, because.
I mean, right now making a channel is kind of pointless because there's really nothing like that we're doing.
Yeah.
We just sit in the house all day long doing nothing.
Doing nothing.
Schoolwork and then nothing.
We
But
do stuff.
We do
Just
We
nothing.
do things, just nothing outside. But I mean, when there's you can't do anything outside. It's kind of limited.
Yeah.
And,
It's
yeah.
not like nothing's vlogging. It's not like we're grocery shopping.
It's
or,
not. Yeah, we can't like vlog. Like, hey guys, so we're like here now.
We really should be in Disney right now.
No.
Today, Rick Springfield would have been at Epcot, and I would have been there right now. I'm sitting now waiting for him to come on. I think he would have came on at 3. Was it 2 or 3? He came on 3 times a day for 2 days. So we've seen like him. My gosh.
Oh, we missed a couple of them when we were
Yeah.
there.
But
So maybe we've seen them about like 10 times.
maybe, yeah.
Yeah, maybe like 8 to 10 times.
Yeah.
When we were there.
Yeah, it was fun though.
I've been to most Rick concerts. We
Yeah.
went to that like one other one, and then Rick.
Yeah, and you got to sing with Rick. Yeah, that was
Rick
cool.
knows
right?
me personally.
He does. When you told him your name, he was like, "What?" Yeah, it was cool.
He likes me already.
He liked you already. Yes.
So I actually was talking to him on my phone. Just kidding. No.
Yeah, you text him.
No.
Anyway, meanwhile, Jaden's still trying to find Waldo.
On the camera, it's just
This
like
is the hardest
rainbow
find
mess.
Waldo I've ever done. I cannot find him.
Hey, Jay.
I've had him before.
Jay. Look at my phone.
You're gonna go to him, right? You're going all over him, right? There he is! What? Wait, it's so obvious. How
Do you
did-
see him? Do you see him now?
Yeah.
That's why Mom was laughing before we were walking because you were like, "Oh, where's who was it? Electrode?" And you went like that. It's right there.
I told you once you see him too, you
I
can't
looked
unsee
at
him.
all those Pokemon around him. I didn't even see that. It's so obvious now.
Are you mad, bro?
No.
Are you mad that I showed you?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine. I was never gonna find him.
We can find more.
You're never gonna find him.
I'm really bad at that.
Oh well.
You can see his hand too.
Oh my god! I didn't even realize that he has a hand as well. I thought Waldo didn't have hands.
Oh
Well, sometimes they show his whole body,
Yeah,
but
but this one's like
Yeah.
he's placed in a big picture Pokemon.
oh well. Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm making some dinner. I know you guys can't see. I can just. So I've got some egg. I'm gonna put some milk in here, some breadcrumbs. I got a pan here. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna be making breaded pork chops. Now, pork chops is not Jason's favorite thing, but the boys and I definitely like them. So I normally just make them like just kind of plain, but I decided to try to make them a little bit, more tasty or whatever this time. I don't know. Anyway, I got some egg, a little bit of milk. I got some cheese, some breadcrumbs. I really have no idea. This whole thing has made everybody realize that this is like Quarantine's Got Talent show, because all of a sudden everybody can sing and everybody can bake and everybody can, do all these wonderful things. So I'm trying to broaden my horizons. So yeah, I got that going on. Still got my favorite iced tea. It's my favorite. Not sponsored, but it's my favorite. Get it at the Food Lion. I want to say Lion King all the time. Get it at the Food Lion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the chops in there. Now I'm going to fry them on a frying pan just for a few seconds, just kind of like golden brown them and sear it in. So yeah. So these are the pork chops that I got. So hopefully it's enough. I only have 4 of them. There's 4 of us. I just know if I make more than this, then no one's gonna eat it. It's gonna go to waste, and I need a quick chop. Sorry about that. So anyway, yeah. I'm just sticking it in the breadcrumbs. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Get it all covered up. That's pretty good, right? What do you think? Trying to do this vlog and do this at the same time. Try to, got some cheese in there. These are gluten-free breadcrumbs, by the way. I'm gonna just stick them on here now because I'm gonna put them on. No, I'm gonna put them on the frying pan a little bit. So let me get the rest of these done. So I've got these browning here. I also got myself some mashed potatoes, and then I'm gonna make a pasta side dish for the boys. So a little bit of mashed potatoes. I got these. They're gonna brown on each side just for a couple of minutes. Just to get them. So they'll be moist, I guess. I don't know. And Aaron, did you screw dinner up? You're going, oh no, let me try it. I'll tell you.
It's just been whining like crazy.
So anyway, I made the boys this pasta, and I messed it up. What are you doing? Just try it with the topping on there. I told you I was gonna put breadcrumbs, and you guys said that was okay.
Yeah, I'm fine with breadcrumbs. I haven't tried it yet.
I'm not a cooker. I'd try, but anyway.
Whoa.
I'm sorry, I can't.
I got mashed potatoes and pork chop. Jason's got mashed potatoes, pork chop, and a little bit of that macaroni, which I screwed up. And yeah.
And there.
How is it?
Room?
It's good.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. Okay. I was all excited making dinner, but then I screwed it up.
He's hiding over there because that's what we need to get a shot.
I told you guys, I'm not a cooker. I'm doing the best I can, though.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, I apologize. I was so excited to make that pasta for them, and then I realized I screwed it up. I'm like, you idiot. And I was like trying to figure out in my head how I can fix it. There was no way to fix it. So I just put a bunch of butter in there and tried to hide the flavor.
What's the problem? There's not enough cheese or something?
Too much water.
Made so.
You're only supposed to
It
put...
looks like macaroni, but it's basically pasta.
Yeah, you're supposed to put a little bit of water in there, and then the water boils down, and you have a nice cheesy sauce. I didn't measure the water like you're supposed to. Yeah, I screwed it up.
Never mind.
Jess. What's up, dude? I'm gonna set this thing down. Ooh. How does this countertop get so nasty? I wash it all the time. You see me wash this all the time. All the time. I'm always washing it. And it's nasty already. Right. Hey, bud. Come over this side.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
So, dinner wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. I'm sorry.
That's fine.
I'm not a cooker. I tried. Oh my god, so the other day, remember when you put that red chip clip on your nose?
Yeah.
Well, when I made the thumbnail, when I'm making the thumbnail, it's big. It's like a big picture. Okay. Well, so people thought that it was clickbait because it looked, I guess when you made the thumbnail smaller, it looked like you had a nosebleed, but that wasn't my intention at all. Like, because I liked it because you had the chip clip on, and I was like, I was being crazy. So I was like, oh, that's kind of a different thumbnail, you know. I like to make thumbnails that kind of stand out. But it never occurred to me that it looked like you had blood coming out of your nose until, you know, someone said something like, oh, really, this is, you know, the thumbnail, blah, blah, blah. Which I don't care anyway. I'll make clickbait thumbnails. Don't tempt me, because I will do it. You know, I'm not afraid to play the YouTube game, and the YouTube game is make clickbait. But I honestly did not mean to do that. Like, that wasn't on purpose at all. But yeah, when I saw it was small, and I was like, oh, yeah, it kind of does look like a nosebleed. But anyway, for those of you who thought he had a nosebleed, he didn't have a nosebleed, and I'm sorry that it looked like that. But I mean, hey, that's YouTube for you, I guess. Mm-hmm. But like I said, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to do that. What are you doing?
Okay, so yeah.
But yeah, and so dinner. I'm not a cooker, guys. I'm not a cooker. I don't cook good. I don't. And I tried to make the macaroni, and I made a mistake with the macaroni, and then the guys didn't really like the chicken because I put cheese in the breadcrumbs, and
Not the breadcrumbs. Just the cheese.
you don't like the cheese.
The breadcrumbs were amazing.
Yeah.
I like the breadcrumbs.
We have
Those
a
are
5-year-old behind us. But anyway,
Hey.
stop. Oh, let me shut this off. Talk to the camera.
awesome. So, hello. I am Jesse. Like, I don't know if you know me, but, you know, I'm like a person that is in the vlogs.
And I'm his twin brother. Hi.
No, you're not.
Oh, I'm not. Oh, yeah, that's him over there.
Oh, yeah, you're over there. Yeah.
I'm cut off after I've been down.
Yeah. No, like, so, guys, you guys can't see my
This is
face.
just our chins.
Yeah. So we've never shown our face before, so you can see our chin. Okay, yeah. So, What else do we say?
I don't know.
Nothing, because today ended, and so we're gonna end the vlog too, because that's the end of the day. That's how the vlogs work. So, yeah. So guys, make sure you like to, make sure you eat food if you're hungry, and
Only for
drink
3
water
minutes.
if. Oh yeah, oh, it's at 2 minutes. Make sure you drink water if you're thirsty, and click the like button if you like the video, and click the subscribe button if you like the channel, and also click the bell if you're subscribed. And yeah,
And be safe.
be safe. Okay. Bye.